Yes, people, welcome back to my channel. This is episode 2 of Road to 400k in funding. This week was so good. Yes, last week that was good, but this week was excellent. Okay, in today's video, I'm gonna go over my week of trading, the wins, the losses, the thought process, all of that, and also show you how you can do so too. I'm Banks TP. Check me out on TikTok as you can see over here, and let's get on with it. Now, so for this week, I was trading my funded and my personal account. And the first trade was GBP USD. Okay, that was on Monday. So let's go in the 15 minute. Cool. Let's find out where this trade was. So anyways, this is my first trade of the week. Yeah, just straight L's. Wrong direction. I lost this trade in 2 minutes as well, actually. On the details, yeah, this trade lasted me 2.2 minutes. Yeah, no, it really wasn't great. If I go on EU though, I do believe on EU this trade was way better. So I picked the wrong pair this day. Let me just go ahead quickly. Let's get to. Okay, cool. Yeah. Okay, cool, great. So at the same time, when I looked at this trade, right, on UGBP was bearish. So we'll go to that in a second. But I entered this trade around I entered around 225, 230ish. So dead on when my session started. And if you check USD around these times, if you enter the trade around these times, you would have caught the sells. So that was just there for for testing purposes. But yeah, L is what it is. Cool. We move on to the next. Now the next trade I took was a win on Euro USD. When was this? 14th of Jan. So my next trade was EU longs on the 14th of Jan. Here I entered stop loss near the low, and we targeted a 1 to 2. Now, as you can see, price actually went on further and further. So, in hindsight, I left a lot on the table. But essentially, how this trade went is that it came up here, came down, came up, and then closed around here. So I didn't just close as soon as we got to this high. No, I was expecting a break and we continue going further, but no. I held, so I was at 1 to 3 actually at one point, and then the price reversed. And to be fair, closing did make sense, as you can see, because we did come back to my not my stop loss, my break even, and I probably would have been at break even, and then we pushed up. So maybe I could have looked towards getting in again, but I was happy with the trade. I called it a day. I actually closed a little bit late, so it actually worked out to be like a 1 to 7, unfortunately. But profit's profit. Made up for the loss from yesterday. So yeah, that's that. Okay, now this trade, I kind of broke my rules. Let me explain. So ignore this. This was just me backtesting, and I should have gotten this trade by the way, but I didn't. So I'm just annoyed. But essentially, what I've noticed, over my years of trading, right, this was a news candle. Wednesday, was that CPI? I believe Wednesday was CPI. I'm not entirely sure. But essentially, what I've noticed is that when price likes to push up in one direction, a news candle, price tends to, go on to rebalance. Do you understand? As you can see, we've seen low lows and lower highs. Literally like that. So my goal was cool. After the news, I'm looking to get into shorts. And, it worked for a few minutes, and then you just hit a sell. And that kind of annoyed me because, again, I traded within this zone, the NY, the New York AM session. And there was a perfect order block here where I could have got in my sells, and that would have been perfect. Or I could have got in around here, who knows. But losing that, it just annoyed me for the session, and I didn't have the confidence to get in. It just ruined my confidence. So the win I made, I've now lost on Monday, lost today, but I won the day before, so I'm now break even for the week. So that happened. So it was annoying. Then my next trade is on. Wait, I've been trading EURUSD a lot this week. Okay, cool. So we got a sell on EURUSD for Thursday. Let's go and check that. Cool, great. Now this trade, oh gosh, so messy. But long story short, this trade, I was in it for 1 hour 55. 1 hour 55. Now on my personal account, I stacked it. So essentially, when price came down and we came back, I got in again, but I was so close to hitting my SL as well, by the way, as you can see here. But so on my personal account, I believe I hit a 1 to. First of all, let me not even. That wasn't that. It was like that. Yeah, cool. Actually, was it even like that? No, it was like that. Probably on corner. Probably something like that. Something like that. But yeah. On my personal, I hit a 1 to 5 because the 3 plus the 2, like this added up to 5R. On my funded though, I just took one trade, so it's just this one. I got 1 to 3.3. 13 pips I made. 13.2 in fact. Yeah, that's exact. Yeah, so exactly like that. Again, price came to a high. We came to some impulse candles. You can see levels of liquidity. I woke up early for London session. Let me go to 1 hour. Is there anything there? Yeah, 1 hour liquidity. Let's go to 2 hour. 2 hour liquidity. Anything on the 4 hour liquidity. I love these zones. I'm there to enter. And if you go to the 5 minute, maybe I've seen. Okay, it's very, very choppy though. This was a very, very choppy morning. I was waiting. Price was just playing about. But eventually, we saw the momentum. Came down. I got out rightfully so because we did reverse. But if I held, yeah. But that's not really my strategy. It was towards the end of the session as well. So, yeah, I was looking to get out. But yeah, and that's 1 to 3. Nice. Made up for all the losses this week. C losses. And yeah, we go on. And then the final trade was in GU. GU. So I didn't even trade. Looking back though, I can't lie. Trading GBP USD, I've noticed that there's more pips in GBP USD. So as a whole, I think yeah. Let me just that's Wednesday. Let me look at Wednesday. Yeah, there's just so many pips. I was not back testing. I was forward testing all these trades. So yeah, even like the sells, for example. There was just so many, like the sells on Wednesday after CPI. A lot of money's been made, so yeah. This was Thursday, so Thursday I got in a sell. Yeah, so basically what I was analyzing was that on Thursday I could have made so much more money on GBP USD. The trade I just showed you guys, I could have stacked it properly. The initial trade went 1 to 4. I could have got some longs as well. But anyways, let's go to Friday. Literally yesterday of the week. Oh gosh, this trade I took, crazy. I caught a 1 to 12, 1 to 13, basically. I caught 1 to 13 on my personal account. On my funded, I caught a 1 to 4.6. So essentially on my funded, I closed around here on the initial trade, but I let it run on my personal. And yeah, this trade was beautiful. Beautiful trade, beautiful longs, let me go through it. So cool. If we go to the 4 hour, I noticed SMT. Well, first of all, there's some liquidity here. We was respecting this level. I did think we could go short first. I did think that initially, like we've abused this level quite a lot. So what I've noticed in trading, right, when price abuses a level, like you're more likely for it to break. So I was thinking possibly shorts. Even here we broke on the 30 min. We respected it on the 30 min. But anyways, as you can see, this SMT on GU, price did not create a lower low. Price stayed above. It didn't sweep. Yeah. So this is at 2 o'clock and 7:30 candle. When you go to that was on the 15 minute, right? 30. Cool. But when you go to the 30 minute candle, at 2 o'clock, we swept more than enough. Even swept New York AM lows. But the 7:30 candle's still there. So this is what you call divergence. So when I seen this divergence, and usually I caught it first on the 15 minutes, so it's quicker to get, a confirmation. Like waiting for it to appear on the hour, you're too late. Well, not too late, to be fair. There's more pips to get, but still. So I clocked that. So I'm thinking, yeah, cool. There's going to be a push up. We've respected this, impulse candle on the 30 minute. I didn't even draw it out. On the 1 hour, we respected. On the 15 now, I was thinking shorts more because on the 30 minute, actually not even the 30 minute. Why did I think shorts? Hold on. Damn, hold on. Why did I think shorts? Anyways, I can't find why. But Yeah, I can't find why. But anyways, yeah. So essentially, when we came to this level, we respected it, came back down, respected this, we respected this fair value gap. Once we did that, we pushed down. As you can see on DXY as well. I've not even mentioned DXY today, but yeah, again, giving me more confluence. Then on the DXY, we actually had this 3 minute break of structure, and we retested it twice. That's when I got in the first time, and I was actually so close to hitting SL. Believe it or not, I was 1 pip away. So I've got in here. I was like, it hit 4 pips, and yeah, we pushed up, and then we reached initially 1 to 2.7. We reached a level, an impulse candle. So if I show you that one on a 15 minute, why? Because this is a candle that pushed price to the downside and it started the move. So there's gonna be a lot of significance at that level, even on the 5 minute as well. So we came to that level and we respected it. Go to the 1 minute. Came here, we chilled here for a sec, and we pushed right back down. Then we started to respect this level here, this level of liquidity. On the 1 minute, we're respecting it. On DXY though, when we reached that level, I'm going 5 minute. When we reached this level that was respecting, price came into an impulse candle here. So this is a candle that pushed price to upside. We broke structure, we broke this high, we broke London high, so I know it's gonna be significant. So when price came here, I knew we were gonna have trouble here. Again, it all matches. Imagine deep this. On DXY, there's a 15-minute impulse candle. On GBP/USD, there's a 15-minute impulse candle that they hit at the same time. These pairs are correlated. They're interconnected. Thanks to globalization, all of this stuff is just interconnected. So at the same time, the same 5-minute candle, we hit this one, we hit that one. We're resting at it. I'm thinking, can we break through it? So for me, what I wanted to see was a solid breakthrough on the 1 minute. Let me find out. Hold on. Great. So it was this 1 minute candle. When we broke through it, I was like, yeah, we're good. Let's come, and that also create a market structure break. So, an engulfing candle. So when price returned to it, I got in again. On my personal account, I got in again. I risked the same amount. I got in again, and yeah, we pushed price, and price just did a mad thing. No news. So I had 2 trades running at once, and yeah. So the first trade got 1 to 7. Second trade got 1 to 5. Now this dotted line, this was the level where I was gonna pass my account. Do you know what I'm saying? So when we reached this level, as you can see, we was kind of, let me just move this stuff out of the way. When we reached this level, price was just fiddling with it. So as soon as we got just below, I tried to close, but I accidentally closed for $50 less than my profit target. So that was a shame. And then, but on my personal, I held, we literally, we pumped for real. So that was a really good trade. Really, really good trade. Like, these type of trades are the type of trades that increase your net worth. Yeah. Like these type of trades. Do you know what I'm saying? So especially when you're stacking as well, with my strategy liquidity overload, yeah, you're long gone. So yeah, when people chat to me about 1 to 2s and that, I'm like, what are you talking about? Like bro, there should be days in the markets where your net worth just jumps. Yeah? With the right trading, yeah, cool. The risk to downside, yeah, I would have lost a decent percentage, but I was up for the week. I wasn't trading from a point of scarcity. Like, I was already up 3R for the week. So either I lose at 3R or I go on to make more. In terms of R, I don't even count. Over 10. That's 12R, 3R. Yeah, 15R for the week. 15R for the week. Yeah. So, yeah, no, it was a good week, man. Good week. Better than my last week. I only had 2 losses this week. And, yeah, I can't wait. Like, the ones, now it's the weekend, the Saturday, I'm bored. I can't wait for Monday. Monday is US bank holiday. I will still be trading because the rest of the world is still working. So, and I've seen many bank holiday Mondays where price action's been beautiful. So I'll see. But anyways, whatever makes sense, I'll be on. But I noticed a big mistake that I made. Now you're probably thinking, cool, right? Yeah, Poku, well done. You passed your funded account. Phase 1 done. Dusted. Yeah. No, that's not what happened. So basically, At the same time in December, I got two 100k accounts on my C Trader, right? And I didn't rename them. And basically, I traded the wrong 100k account. So one account was from FBT, funded by traders, and another account was from another prop firm, X Funded. And essentially, you know, with X Funded, they're a prop firm where you can get instant funding, all of these things, right? So this whole time, I didn't realize, but I was trading this account, and it makes sense. So this was 100k funded, and with the instant funding, you get 50% payout. 50%. So 50% of what you make, you can get paid. So yeah, it matches. Like, cool. I started the account in December. I lost the trade. Yeah, I lost the trade. And I went to 99k basically. I didn't trade all through December, Christmas Day, New Year's, and then the 6th of January I started trading again. I lost another trade. I lost a few trades, got down to 97k. This is from last week's trading. Got to 101. Went down to 100. 99, all of that. And then, yeah, these trades, 2 winning trades. And what I've noticed is that 2 winning trades, like a winning streak in the funded game, can pass your account. 2, for me anyway, 2 winning trades, you can pass the account. But yeah, look at the objectives. So maximum drawdown, don't go below 6k, never did. Daily drawdown, never went below 4k. Inactivity days, none. Trading days, I've traded more than 5 days. And withdrawal cycle, 14 days. Here's the trades I took, the 4.6, 3.3. And as you can see, again, my losses are consistent. 1%, 1%, 1%, 1.8, 5.9. Yeah, it's all consistent, you know. How many wins have I got? That's 5 wins, and then I got more losses. And that's the funny thing. You see life, right? In school, you are taught in school that, you know, you should get A stars, you need to get 80%, you need to do your best to be able to get forward to the next level. You need to get higher grades. Yeah, your win rate needs to be 80%, 70% to get A star, A. But when you come to the real world, when you come to trading world, you know, having a win rate less than 50%, you can still be profitable, you know? So that's the thing. That's the big challenge that a lot of people have with trading, because you're coming from, especially smart people with IQ, high IQ, they don't understand, like, why am I always being wrong? Like, they can't understand having a 50% win rate. They think it's bad. But when you have a good risk reward strategy, you know, I'm not doing simple 1 to 2. Sometimes 1.8, 1.8, sometimes, isn't it? Sometimes. But I had big days as well. And I think everybody should be having big days. Like, you should always have days where your net worth jumps up. Yeah? You should always have those days. So it's crazy. And funnily enough, if I'm being honest, if I knew I was trading a funded account, I would have withdrawn. I probably would have drawn here. I would not trade anymore. I didn't know. I generally thought I was trading my FBT account. So I made a funny mistake, and I so happened to be trading X Funded. Now the next question is, will I get paid out? So I made a withdrawal. So yeah, like I said, the 50% profit split. So therefore I get 3.9. Let's see in it. Let's see. But for the meantime, if I'm being honest, I don't know if I'll get paid out. I don't know. If I'm being honest with you guys, like, I don't think I will. I don't think I will get paid out. If I do, great, lovely. If I don't, it's cool. I'll brush it. But yeah. I don't know. But we'll see. But yeah, man. But yeah, guys. In terms of prop firms, right? Ones that will really pay you out. Okay, ignore that. That's just a 10k account. I don't even trade. QT. I can wholeheartedly recommend. I know the owners. Any issues, I can get done. I recommend QT Advanced 2-step personally. 100k, $420. If you click buy the challenge, all right, let's go through it. Add a coupon. Hold on. Add a coupon. Banks. There you go. $336. $336 in pounds. £275 for a 100k account. Yeah, guys, don't miss out. Funded by traders. Yeah, it's by a challenge. Even these guys, I recommend. Standard challenge, 100k. Cool. User code Banks20 423 423 £347. Regardless, there's some good prop firms out there where you can make some good money. So guys, join me in my journey. Let's get this money. Next week I'm going harder than ever. The money made this week has been great. Next week I'm going harder than ever. You know, reinvesting all the money I make, just building my personal account, you know, getting more funding. I'm gonna focus on my 100k phase 2 with Quantecal next week, so I can show. I've got so many accounts with these, man. Okay, cool. QT, 2-step, stage 2, 100k, MT5. Right now I'm down. I'm actually down 1%. Yes, 1%. So I need to make 6%. I've been trading it for a sec, but hey, we'll get it. But yeah, cool, guys. If you want to get in touch with me, you know, if you want to learn from me, if you want to copy my trades, because guys, I've been on a winning streak. Like you gotta get involved. There's money to be made, yeah. Make sure you check the link in the description where you can learn more about what I do and you can get involved and make money. Join the winning team, man. Let's get it, man. It's Banks TP. Follow me on TikTok, and yeah, man, check out my Instagram, and the Discord is in the link below. Let's get it. It's Pokey Banks, baby.